Venny and my English teacher.
Tom's first day at school. Tom is a little boy. Today is his first day at school. He puts on his backpack and smiles. At school, he meets his teacher.
Good morning.
Hello, Tom.
He goes to his desk and sits down. He opens his bag. Inside, he has a pencil, an eraser, and a book.
Time to write,
says the teacher. Tom takes his pencil and writes his name. Then he draws a happy face. Now, it's reading time. Tom opens his book and reads with his friends. He is happy. At the end of the day, Tom puts his things in his bag. He waves to his teacher and says,
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Tom loves school. He learns and plays every day. New words: school, backpack, teacher, desk, pencil, book, eraser, write, draw, read, wave.